In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to drive more phone calls from Google Ads. We're going to set up a focused call campaign so more people tap to call your business straight from the search results. I'll explain the why behind each choice so you know exactly what you're doing and why it matters. Start by signing into your Google Ads account. From your dashboard, click the plus icon and choose New Campaign. This opens the campaign setup flow where you'll make a few key selections that steer Google toward your main objective, generating phone calls. Choose leads as your campaign goal. This tells Google systems that you want real high intent actions, not just clicks. Next, pick search as the campaign type and then select the phone calls option. This ensures your ads are designed for call interactions on mobile, and prominent call buttons show up where people are most likely to use them. You'll be prompted to enter your business phone number and a verification URL. The verification URL should be a page on your website where the same phone number appears, helping Google confirm that the number belongs to your business. Make sure the number you provide routes to a line that can reliably answer during business hours. Configure your campaign settings. Set location targeting to the areas you actually serve. Think city, radius, or region, and exclude places you don't. Choose the languages your customers speak. For budget, start with an amount that can support multiple daily clicks so you gather data quickly, then adjust as you learn. Schedule your ads to run only when your team can take calls. If you're open 9 to 5, limit your ad schedule to those hours in your time zone. This prevents wasted spend on calls you can't answer and improves the experience for your customers. Create your ad group and add relevant keywords that reflect strong intent, like service plus location or urgency terms. Consider using phrase and exact match to keep traffic tightly aligned, and add negatives to filter out research-heavy or irrelevant searches. Now build your ad. In your new ad group, go to Ads and choose Call Ad. Provide 2 concise headlines, your business name, and 2 descriptions. Use clear value propositions and a direct call to action, such as call now for a free quote or same-day service. Add your phone number carefully, double-check every digit, include a final URL if you want users to visit your site for more context, and ensure your verification URL is present. That's it. You've set up a call-focused campaign designed to bring the phone ringing with qualified prospects.